Hello guys, my name is Rita, I'm Portuguese and I'm a student. I'm studying biomedical research in London. But today it's not about what I'm studying that I would like to talk a little bit about. It's about the conference called the Collision that I participated in the last 3 days. So it started 2 days ago and it finished today. This is organized by Web Summit, a very well conference, at least around here in Portugal, where it has been organized in the past. And Collision has the same organizers. It was supposed to be in person in Toronto, Canada, but due to the coronavirus crisis, it moved to the online space. Although it was very nice. There are just 3 events that I think I would highlight. The first one was an astronaut called Alisa. She described all the trainings that she had in the past, in the last, I don't know, 5 years probably. One of the youngest astronauts that has received training from NASA itself. This was in the second day, so yesterday. Also yesterday there was a presentation with the mayor of Lisbon, Fernando Medina, where he talked a little bit about sustainability and how Lisbon is leading the way in fighting the climate change. But my favorite one, I must say, it was the last one today with Justin Trudeau, where he was asked a couple of questions regarding, of course, the situation that we are right now, but also everything Canada believes that is doing right, since immigration, generally politics. That was definitely the best one for me, and the last one. But this conference was not only about events, not only about talks, but also about there were round tables as well, and there was a mingling option that for me, as in all conferences, this was the best one. So it was quite funny because you got in the online room and then they choose you randomly another person based on the topics that you like the most. You define this at the beginning of the conference, and then you have like 3 minutes to talk to a random person that is selected for you, and then after those 3 minutes you have the option to meet another person for 3 minutes or just to stop there. And at the end of the day you meet a lot of people, and the ones that you feel more interested about knowing them a little bit better, you can actually keep their contacts and talk to them later. So I can say that at the end of the day, I don't know, I can say that I met quite a lot of people, and this is one of the advantages of having an online conference. You can meet more people, but at the end of the day you don't meet them as well. And in my case, I probably wouldn't be able to attend this conference in person, so just the fact of attending, it was another advantage, of course. What about the tickets? The tickets are not cheap, so if you buy them with like months before, you pay around $100. Now they are a little bit more expensive, like 150 during the conference and a couple of days before. In my case, I believe that you can do the same for the Web Summit, at least for the Collision. Once I was one of the most active GitHub users that applied for a ticket. I got some for free, so I believe that in the next edition you can probably do the same if you feel that way. But I can really tell you that this conference was really well organized. they told us that the website of the conference was built in 2 months because they were expecting to organize it in person. So though that was very challenging, but that was a very, very successful event, and they are planning already to export this tool to many other organizers, and I believe they will be successful on that. Yeah, I think this is all that I believe that you could be interested about knowing about this conference. If you have any other questions that I would like you'd like me to answer, just leave me a comment. And yeah, I hope you liked the video. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Bye.